put it on there. Bye. Come on. Come on. Come on. You stand there all night if I would pick you up, huh?
Say love you, Daddy.
Come on. Hang on. Come on, come on. Come on. Come on. Look at Mom. Say hey.
Can say I love you.
I love you. Say I love you.
Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Look at the bird. See the bird? See the bird? Can you say bird? Say cat? Say kitty cat? Walk over there. Come on. Let's walk. Let's get used to it. Come on. You live in Florida. Let's get used to it. Go look at the kitty cat. Go look at the kitty cat. Ready to jump? One. Bend your knees. One. Bend your knees. Bend your knees. You ready to jump?
I used to have those flower beds full of flowers. Can't do it anymore.
Hard to bend over.
Well,
That's some nice ones out here, though.
because I hurt my back some time ago. There you go. Now you can come see Kitty Cat. You can pet the kitty cat. She won't hurt you.
Dylan, look at the grasshopper. Look.
Where?
On the house. Look at the grasshopper.
Where is it?
It's on the corner of the house.
Well, there's big ones, huh?
Oh,
Get him.
yeah. Look.
I kill them as soon as they